No, we have
No, don't.
We have to eat these tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's definitely eat them tomorrow. Hi, Evie.
That's Evie.
Hey, that went down.
That's Evie.
Yes, it is.
And take a picture of me and Evie.
Okay, you gotta go over there with her.
So if this thing made it from Guam, that means there's a current running past the island. So what? Hello? Currents don't stop. They keep on currenting. And if this piece of wood was carried by it, then it's got to be able to carry something bigger. Like a raft. With us on it.
Can I look at the picture?
Of you and Evie?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, hold on.